In this video, we're going to show you how to create a shopping cart in Practice Better, a software designed to help manage client relationships and streamline business operations. If you're using Practice Better and want to enhance your client experience by offering them a smooth way to pay for your services, this is the video for you. Stick around till the end, where we'll also talk about an alternative that might better serve your goals. First things first, log in to your Practice Better account. Once you're inside, head over to the Billing section in the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll manage payments and set up your shopping cart. If you're new to Practice Better, keep in mind that this feature isn't available on all plans, so make sure you're on one that includes billing functionality. Next, let's create your products. You'll want to create a service or product that clients can purchase. To do this, click on Products under the Billing section and then click New Product. You can choose from different product types like services, packages, or digital downloads. Give it a name, set a price, and add any descriptions or details. This is what clients will see when they go to your shopping cart, so make it clear and appealing. The third thing is setting up your payment gateway. Practice Better integrates with payment processors like Stripe or PayPal. If you haven't set this up yet, go into the Payment Settings area and link your PayPal or Stripe account. This will enable clients to pay directly through the cart. If you run into issues with this, Practice Better's help docs or support team can guide you. Now, let's move on to the shopping cart itself. Once your products are created and payment methods are set up, go to Checkout Settings under Billing. This is where you'll customize the shopping cart experience. You can adjust how the cart behaves, whether it allows discounts, and even what information clients must provide at checkout. Be mindful that a clean, simple checkout process tends to convert better, so don't overcomplicate it. The fifth thing is embedding your cart. Practice Better gives you an easy way to embed the cart directly into your website or link it through email or social media. If you're using a website builder, like WordPress or Wix, you'll simply copy the link to your shopping cart and paste it wherever you want clients to be able to make a purchase. If you're not sure how to do this, Practice Better provides step-by-step instructions. The last thing to know is how to test the cart. After everything is set up, make sure to test your shopping cart before you launch it live. Make a test purchase, go through the process, and check that everything works smoothly from product selection to payment processing. This will ensure that your clients have a seamless experience. Before we wrap up, let me mention that while Practice Better is great for wellness businesses, there are some limitations, especially if you're looking for a shopping cart solution with more advanced features, like customizable discount codes or automatic order follow-ups. So, if you're aiming for more flexibility, we've got some amazing alternatives to Practice Better that might be a better fit. Through our exclusive link in the description, you'll get the best free trial for Practice Better, along with special benefits just for our viewers. Plus, we've included a few other options with free trials that might serve your business goals even better than Practice Better. These alternatives offer more customization and features to optimize your shopping cart experience. Make sure to check the link for the exclusive deals, and feel free to explore the options that best match your needs.